We have been asked to sketch x squared plus 4 over x squared minus 4. It can immediately be seen that this graph cannot equal plus or minus 2. From here I divided x squared plus 4 by x squared minus 4, and from short division I got 1 plus 8 over x squared minus 4, which shows that there will be a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 1. I then tried to see when there would be x-intercepts, however this could not be solved, meaning there were no real solutions, so there are no x-intercepts. As can be seen, I did the same thing with y by subbing 0 into all the points with x, and I got -1 as our 1 y-intercept, and there were no other values. From here I differentiated once, which meant that the chain rule had to be used. However, the results for both first and second derivative were given, so it did not have to be solved, and I just looked where they would be positive and where it would be negative so that I could determine the general shape of the graph. I determined that up until 0 the graph has a positive gradient, and from 0 it is a negative gradient. From the second derivative I determined the concativity. It's a difficult word. Concativity. And from this, the second derivative was given, so from there I could figure out the general shape of the graph. As you could tell that from -infinity to -2 and from 2 to infinity, the graph is concave down. Well, in between 2 and -2 it is concave up. And from here we could get the general shape of the graph, and we can see that we have our y-intercept at -1, our horizontal asymptote at 1, as well as the right concativities during the correct sections.